What you're looking at is not the typical solar installation. This is a fully integrated Tesla solar roof system designed at an extreme residential scale. This project was built using a 52.2 kilowatt Tesla solar roof array, fully integrated into the home's roofing structure, not mounted panels. That alone places it in a category very few residential homes ever reach. Most homes use between 6 and 10 kilowatts of solar. This system delivers over 5 times that capacity while maintaining a clean premium roof appearance. No racks, no visible panels. Just energy built into the architecture. The system spans multiple roof planes, with pitches ranging from 3 to 12 up to 9 to 12, and different azimuths engineered to maximize annual production. This is a complex multi-plane design requiring precise stringing, coordination, and execution. The project includes 108 kilowatt hours of energy storage using Tesla Powerwall 3 technology designed for whole home backup and high load capability. This level of storage requires advanced electrical planning and system balance. This was not just a solar installation. It required a full roof replacement with energy-producing tiles, advanced electrical planning, clean conduit routing, and seamless aesthetic integration. Every step of the process was engineered and documented. Projects of this scale are extremely rare in residential applications. Based on publicly documented installations, a 52.2 kilowatt Tesla solar roof places this system among the largest residential Tesla solar roof projects ever documented. This isn't just about power, it's about what's possible when energy engineering and design come together at the highest level.